Anyways, welcome back to my day. So now we're gonna head out to my school again. We're gonna go drop off some documents. We're gonna buy some windows. I got my teeth removed in the last vlog and it's still a little bit swollen, but I should be fine.
The battle for survival begins.
So we got the stencil setter. So I left the pen in the car. So we're going for the pen. I'm looking for Daddy's car. There he is. There he is. Thank you. Regular service, 7 working days, $400. For 3 working days, $600. Got the information we need from my father, and we got a pen, and now we're gonna head back to give in this document. Of course, we're gonna have to pay for it because nothing in life is ever free, I guess.
$2 on it.
So we're at my father's workplace now. He is picking up something from his ex-co-worker because now he's officially retired. Like, they retracted his retirement and now they're officially retiring him. Like, his last day was yesterday. So today he's free. Tomorrow he's free. The next day he's free. He's just free. After this, we're gonna head to the window store and then back home, I guess. Use the restroom. You know what? I just washed this once the other day. And you know what I went in the bathroom and saw? Blood. I started my period. It's a jacuzzi. This is the one over there. Something similar to maybe we'll go to next store and buy the 24 by 24 windows because you only got the 36 by 36. Daddy been wanting some water bottles. Father, decide who's the prettiest daughter alive.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's Jamaican daughter. It's a Kayla.
Oh hell
No, I mean to say. Yeah, bend the bowl of the skin. And the doggy bowl.
Shaday.